Welcome back. In this lecture, let's extract the data from SQL Server using PyODBC. Let's design a code, extract SQL Server. Let's import PyODBC. Let us also import config parser. Let's define the configuration properties. Config is equal to config parser dot config parser config dot read config file name. Credentials.cfg. Let's create the connection. Connection is equal to pyodbc dot connect. Let's define the properties. Driver is equal to SQL Server. Config of SQL Server server. So this variable should be assigned to server. Server is equal to the configuration property. Database is equal to config of SQL Server database. Trusted connection is equal to config of SQL Server trusted connection. Let's execute and check whether the connection is established. Connection is successful. Let's create the cursor. Cursor is equal to connection dot cursor. Let's execute a statement. Cursor dot execute. I have a table called locations in my SQL Server database. Select asterisk from dbo dot locations. Let's extract the data from this table. Let's print the result. For row in cursor print row. Here is the data. We have successfully extracted locations data. This way, using PyODBC, we can connect to SQL Server and execute the SQL statements. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.